Have you ever interacted with a chatbot and wondered how it knows exactly what to say? Meet ChatGPT, a powerful language model created by OpenAI that can understand and respond to natural language input. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? In simple terms, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence program that has been trained to understand and generate human-like language. It is capable of answering questions, holding conversations, and even generating text on its own. ChatGPT is different from other chatbots because it has been trained on a massive amount of data. Specifically, it was trained on a dataset of over 45 terabytes of text, including books, articles, and websites. This extensive training allows ChatGPT to understand context, recognize patterns, and generate responses that are remarkably human-like. ChatGPT is not just a fun toy to play with, though. It has practical applications as well. For example, it can be used in customer service to answer frequently asked questions or to help people navigate complex processes. It can also be used in education to help students learn and practice language skills, or in healthcare to help diagnose and treat patients. Of course, there are some limitations to ChatGPT. While it can understand and generate human-like language, it does not have the same level of understanding or empathy as a human being. It is also limited by the quality of the data it was trained on, and it can sometimes generate nonsensical or offensive responses. Despite these limitations, ChatGPT represents a major breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand and generate language opens up new possibilities for communication, learning, and creativity. So, next time you interact with a chatbot, remember that it might be powered by a technology like ChatGPT. Who knows, you might even be talking to one of the most advanced language models in the world.